Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is isang malaking green candle and average yung volume. Meron pa tong almost 2 hours to close this candle and silipin na natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So yung BTC is nagkaroon tayo ng first higher low, meron pa ring sumasalo, and good news na break niya na yung resistance area natin. Nag-create na yung BTC ng higher high, pinasukan tayo ng buyers kung makikita nyo itong candle na to. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario, if yung BTC is magke-create ng another higher low, is possible continuation lang to ng uptrend momentum, but the moment na pasukan tayo ng selling pressure and pakitaan tayo ng volume, possible magkaroon pa rin tayo ng fake out dito. But currently, BTC is trying to break na yung resistance area natin, and kung makikita natin sa weekly time frame, forming bullish pin bar, so possible nagkaroon tayo ng liquidation below here, and currently umakyat yung BTC. So, we will wait pa rin if i-continue niya ba yung momentum ng mga higher low and to create another higher high, because BTC is trying to gain momentum na and switch to uptrend based sa market structure.